everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Pinky's Kitchen. For those that don't know me, first off, I'm a rapper, but I'm a rapper that can cook. So here I am, about to let you guys know on how I make tamales, how we've been doing them for the holidays with my tias or my mom, my abuelita, everybody. So yes, I've been cooking a lot of Mexican dishes. I also will probably make a caldo de pollo, just because I want to make it special for you guys, all right? So if anybody wants to get a hold of me or wants to look me up, you can reach me on Instagram at Pinky Rozey. And today, like I mentioned, we're going to be making tamales. And it's going to be the red beef and green chile. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys know of a few ingredients, the ingredients that I'll be using. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you guys the meat. And I have it on this roaster that I got at Costco. It's supposed to be like a turkey roaster, but it's roasts like the meat really, really good and tender. Right there where I have two different types of roast. I have the tri-tip, and I also have the regular, I think it was a sirloin beef roast. So also got the meat from Costco as well. And I have a lot of garlic, onion, a lot of spices, and bay leaves. It's so bomb. It's gonna probably fall apart once I take it out. Besides that, okay, I have since I make the chile tamales, I have two different kinds of cheese: Monterey Jack cheese and a mixture of mild cheddar and Monterey Jack. I also have garlic, onion, tomatoes, cilantro, jalapenos, tomatillos, the masa, las hojas, and of course different kinds of chiles. New Mexico chili. I have pasilla, ancho, y otro chile por allá que está. So it's just like a little mixture, and if you come over here, I'll show you what I'm doing. So here I am for the red chili. I have a few tomatoes, a tomatillo. I also have some jalapenos that are in there. I take off the seed so it won't be so hot. And here, look at the tomatillos falling apart already. And then of course a lot of garlic. On this one over here, which I'm gonna use a different spoon, I have some garlic in there, some jalapeno, and a bunch of green tomatillos. So I think this one needs a little bit more time, and I'll show you guys how to mix them both. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This meat is literally falling apart. This is the tri-tip. Oh god, look at this. And then un chile rojo, dude, this is gonna be so bomb. Dude, I might even open up a tamale place, dude. Or guess what? I might even deliver them. Just like, y'all wish. So here it is. Now it's time to make the chile.
That's what she said. Explain this process, right?
Okay, so here I am going to be putting the tomatoes and different kind of chiles, which I have guajillo, I have chile Nuevo Mexico, y no sé qué más la cosa aquí, pero aquí tengo muchos diferentes chiles. And we're going to make the salsa, una salsa roja. Y ahorita, mira, cómo se están desbaratando. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now we're going to do the chile. And here, this, okay, I kind of push it. My nails, a little bit of garlic powder, garlic salt, oh shit, some Lawry's, it's okay, it's gonna taste good, and some sea salt. And just because I wanted to oh, you know what, I have the stuff over here. I wanted to get that garlicky flavor. I'm gonna throw in a few garlics in there. And now for bomb. Look at the steam, fresh. Very garlicky, lots of flavor. Con mucho amor. Follow me over here. And now I'm gonna cook it. Okay. And it's gonna be boiling a little bit, but I'm gonna put the meat in. You seen how the meat was falling apart? So now we're garlic salt. Dude, it is so hard when girls have nails. Look at this shit. I have my nails underneath my gloves, but it's so hard to like sometimes open containers, so you always have like somebody else like help you out sometimes. I mean, I can't. And of course some chicken flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit of adobo. Just a little bit. Let's see, go ahead and add onion to it. And I'm gonna add cilantro para que le dé mucho sabor. Okay, so there's the cilantro right there. I'm gonna close it up. Now that I have the green chili ready, and as you can tell, I'm just getting like a cake. Dude, you don't have to get anything like really like special. I'm just getting like a cake, one of these cake things, and that's what I'm using. It's like I don't have a special tool, but it's so easy. Look at this shit. Okay, so we're gonna get a little bit of green chili.
And it's on a corn husk.
It's una de maíz, una hoja de maíz. And you could just put some green chili, just like this, okay? And then you just get a little bit of you get some cheese. Just put it there like that. Get a little bit of cheddar. There you go. And then you roll it up. Actually, don't roll it up, but roll it up. Ahí está. So you get it like that. Pinche tamalote. You look at that shit. Okay? So I'm going to get one of these hojas because a lot of people don't do it in a lot of different states. They don't know about this shit. They're like so behind. But let me tell you. So I get this wax paper. Okay? And I roll it. And there it is. It keeps all the steam together. And this is what gives it flavor. So we're going to keep on doing a few until I make a few dozen. And obviously I'm going to enjoy myself because I'm drinking some Rozey sweetened, some vodka. And, okay, so now we're gonna do the beef one. So we're just gonna spread it there. Okay. There we go. And then we're gonna get a little bit of this meat. Put some there. And we're gonna roll it. There you go. Now we're gonna get a little hoja.
left.